ever tired of purchasing parts from the dealer, Dorman has the parts you thought were dealer only. Go to dormanproducts.com and sign up to receive monthly new product announcement emails featuring formerly dealer-only parts now available in the aftermarket. Get with the program, be the first to know.
First, remove the trim screws above the instrument cluster panel. Remove the lower steering wheel trim panel and screws. Remove the left and right side access panels and the trim screws. From the right to the left, gently pull the instrument panel away from the trim pad. Remove the bezel from the ignition switch cylinder and position the column shift control indicator to 1. Now you have access to the hazard switch. Disconnect the electrical connector from the switch and remove it from the instrument panel trim plate. Install the new hazard switch into the IP trim plate and reconnect the electrical connector. Verify that the switch is working. Gently press the trim plate back into the pad until all the retainers are fully seated. Install the right and left access and lower steering wheel panels and the ignition cylinder bezel. Check to make sure that the switch is working properly.